In this video, I am going to show you best OBS recording settings step by step. After successful installation, we have to configure initial configuration before first use. Let's create a scenes here. Scenes like a project name. You can put any name for scenes. Next, we have to configure sources. Let's configure audio input source. You can put any name here and press OK. Then you can select any kind of audio input connected with your computer. Next, let's add audio output source, same as audio input source. Same as audio input source, you can select any kind of device from drop down. Next, I'm going to add display capture. You can select any screen from drop down, external monitor or your computer. Here you can configure your screen according to your requirement. You can select some part of your screen or you can select full screen mode. Finally, I have added my logo to this configuration as an image file. Up to now, scenes and sources are completed. You can use audio mixture for mute and unmute your audio input and audio output like that. Now I am going to change settings. Go to output, select advanced mode and go to recordings. You can select any folder path for destination file. I will create a separate folder for that as a recording. You can select recording format, video encoder, audio encoder kind of configuration here. Next, go to video tab, select resolution value. Finally, select frame rate according to your requirement. I am selecting around 60 fps like a slow motion video. You can select 23 frames or 30 frames. OBS Studio is ready for screen recording. Press start recording button. Try to do a sample video. You can see it's working properly. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.